Today, pupuntahan natin isang basketball player ng UP Fighting Maroons, si Sagani Steven. Samahan niyo ako. Yan, meron tayong kliyente mamaya, si Sagani Stevens. Baka bumagyo. Ayusin muna natin yung window ng coach natin. Let's go. Tingin ko okay na to. Hindi na yan magkaka-problema mamaya pag umulan na malakas. Yes sir. Praise God, may trabaho tayo ngayon. Punta natin si Sagani Steven. Samahan niyo ako.
Ice Americano. Regular lang.
Isa talaga sa mga favorite part ko ng home service is yung pagpupunta ako sa mga client, babiyahe ako, bibili ako ng kape habang nagda-drive, makikita ko yung iba-ibang klaseng lugar ng part ng Metro Manila, nakaka-travel ako, nakakapunta ako sa isang lugar. Dito sa video na to makikita iba-ibang mall ang nadaanan ko, Ayala, SM, UP Town Center, iba-ibang condo. Ito talaga yung magandang part sa ginagawa kong trabaho. Dahil dito rin sa trabaho ko na to, nakapunta ako ng Japan, Thailand, at iba-iba pang lugar. Marami na ako napuntahan sa pagbe-braids, kaya very thankful talaga ako kay God na binigyan niya ako ng skills na ganito. Dito sa part na to, nasa Ateneo na ako. May client din ako dyan. Shoutout sa client ko sa Ateneo. You know who you are. So papunta na tayo kay Sagani Stevens. Dito na tayo sa Uptown Center. Maganda dyan. Masarap kumain dyan. At minsan, nandyan ako. At ito na nga yung part na nabangga yung truck ng mga sanga-sanga. Nalaglag yung sanga at akala ko madadamay ako, pero praise God hindi ako nadamay dito, pero something went under my car and then nagulat ako, eto siya. So may mga maliliit ng branches ng tree na pumunta sa ilalim ng sasakyan ko and then hinila ko siya. Buti na lang rin talaga hindi na damage yung sasakyan, may magagamit pa tayo pang home service, pero ayun nga, medyo madami na punta sa ilalim. Tapos ayan, grabe yung sanga-sanga. So tinapon ko naman yan after ko tanggalin, nilagay ko siya sa tamang lugar para hindi na siya maka-aksidente ng ibang tao. Ang laki niya, hindi ko alam kung anong klaseng puno yun eh, pero feeling ko sampalok yung puno na yun kasi parang yung leaves niya parang malunggay na malalaki. So nilagay ko siya dyan sa gilid muna, sabay eto na siya.
Natamaan niya yung puno, nadamay pa ako.
Praise God pa rin na kahit na may nangyaring aksidente doon, nabangga ng truck yung puno at nagbagsakan yung mga sanga. Hindi ako nabagsakan pero nasagasaan ko, sabay narinig ko, nakakaladkad ko siya, yun yung tumutunog sa ilalim. Pero nandito na tayo sa ni Sagani Steven. So let's go. Sagani Steven.
What's up guys, Premium Braids Manila, welcome back. Samahan nyo ako tonight kasi meron akong client today, si Sagani Stevens, player ng UP Fighting Maroon basketball team. So let's go.
Dito na tayo sa lugar ni Sagani Stevens. So punta tayo. Uy, sakto si brother. Si brother. Can I vlog you?
Yes, I know. Yes, I know.
You moved na?
Same building but different unit.
Uy, mga pagkara. Same unit, same building, different unit.
I'll show you. New unit, but you know I got the same braider still.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
What style are you trying to get today?
What is it? This is 6 classic braids. I saw my guy Denzel get those, so I'm gonna tap into those.
Okay. You have a game tomorrow?
I have a game Friday, or not Friday. I leave for China Friday.
You leave for China Friday.
AUBL.
AUBL.
But earlier I had a tune-up game against Perpetual.
Nice.
Good. I'm almost got into accident kanina, bro.
Really?
Oo, the truck hit the tree and the branches fall down. And then, akala ko it will fell. No, but it went under my car. And,
Pretty good though.
yeah, praise God, I'm safe. Let's go. Wow, nice house.
Okay, dude.
You moved, no? Nice house, no?
Yeah, I know it's good. I'm still like sending stuff to people.
Good evening po. Good evening po. What's your favorite shoes, brother?
I know I just got these in.
What's your favorite shoes, brother?
Favorite shoe?
For basketball?
I guess right now I'm gonna join the bandwagon to say Kobe's probably. But all time probably Hyperdunks. Don't sleep.
Nice. This is from TikTok, I think, or Shopee.
Yeah, TikTok.
I'll show you why. We gotta cover the we're gonna blur the thing.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah, but I'm gonna show you why it's not safe. It turns white eventually after yeah. Behind the door, you move your
New setup. Wow.
Wow. Dami. Ito na ba lahat? Or
Pero ano, 3 deep.
3 deep. No.
Left, left.
Okay.
Too much.
Too much. Let's go.
Yes, sir.
Braid since you're a kid, no?
Yes, sir. Always.
How old are you back then?
That one I might be.
Nice braids.
8 maybe. 8 running. Yeah, ever since.
Ever since.
Yes, sir. I know. Hey, one more time. Yes, sir. My guy Russ always getting me right, man. It's in time for China. Hey, anytime, anywhere. Russ is gonna hit you up. Hey, tapping with premium braids, man. Good work always.
Thank you,
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Hey.
Thank you, bro.
Oh, thank you. I know as always.
What's up, Premium Braids Manila? Welcome back to my channel. Meron tayong kliyente ngayon, si Denzel Walker. Late night grind. Samahan nyo ako, tingnan nyo kung anong papagawa niya. Let's go! Dito na tayo ngayon sa lugar ni Denzel. Yes, sir. Pinapark tayo dito ni Bossing kasi magto-12 na. Magbabayad tayo ng 400 for overnight parking pag kunaring doon tayo nag-park sa mall. Medyo malaking pera yon. So, yung ginawa ko, dito na lang ako sa labas nag-park. Sabi naman nila, walang nagtotoo basta naka-park ako, hindi nakatapat sa gate at wala naman basta safe lang. Ganun. So tara na, samahan nyo ako, tingnan natin kung ano papagawa niya. Sorry. Yo bro, can I vlog you? Vlog you today. Sige. Anya sweldo, Isagani. Gani.
I know.
He get the 3 braids, 6 braids. What are you trying to get today?
What is this called? The zigzag.
Zigzag. Okay.
Big zigzag stitch.
Okay. Big zigzag stitch. Let's go. Let's go. Hey. Let's go. You're still wet? Kinda okay, that's good. Okay. You're done. Check it out, brother. Like it? Okay, nice. So tayo. Let's go. Thank you, Denzel. Thank you, brother.